Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you this boat prank that's pretty cool. Yeah, you can really surprise someone with that. But what you actually want to do this in survival mode, if you don't have command blocks, is you want to get a dispenser, observers, a heck ton of logs, like a lot of logs, hopper, and a crafting table. This is just the fastest way to do it. Gonna want to I'll do exactly what I do. You're gonna want to use any block. I'm just using this because it's fastest. You're gonna want to build exactly like this. Not exactly, but this is, this is just the best way. Then you're gonna go ahead in here, and then you're gonna go like that. And then you're gonna hold down Q, and they'll go like that. And if you have the two observers like this, that'll always be going. And I messed up, so my whole entire inventory is just full of them. Boats. But basically, yes. If you're standing exactly one block away from the crafting table, and then you craft them all your logs like this, then you can hold it down. And yeah, this is just going to continuously dispense more boats. The best part is that they're all in the same spot. So it can take quite a while to get all the boats in place because I put quite a few boats on it. But yeah, as you can see, it just stopped. It's actually just on time. There is one more boat. I'm just going to throw it in. So the one problem with this is if you put too many, it can get quite laggy. But yes, now you have all these boats in the same place. As you can see, you're unable to know. The only way to know is if you don't have it set up like mine, you see all the shadows of every boat, which is a problem I want to tell you guys. You get in the boat, and you use